Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change lock screen passwords on Huawei MatePad 12X. And let's begin. So, as you can see, currently my lock screen password is this very simple pattern that I have. And let's say I want to change it to, for example, PIN or a password or something else. In order to do that, we first need to go into our settings. And then, as you can see, we already have kind of a spoiler, but yes, indeed, we want to navigate into a section called Biometrics and Password. Now, you have the section called Password, and you want to simply go into Change Lock Screen Password. Of course, before we do that, we first must input our current password once again. And now we have a little notification that we want to remember our new lock screen password, because if we ever forget it, the only way to gain access to our device is to perform a factory reset on it, which means the resetting of everything on your device, which is of course not something you want to do. Anyway, I am going to click OK. And now, by default, we have a set 6-digit PIN. However, you can click Change Password Type, and now you can change between the 4-digit PIN, Custom PIN, Pattern, which I had something before, and Alphanumeric Password. I'm going to do a 4-digit PIN, and I will go very simple 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we have a warning that my password is way too simple, but because I'm the tutorial guy, I don't really have to worry about it. You, however, I would advise you to set something different as your PIN or password. So I will go with 1, 2, 3, 4 once again, and this time I will go with use anyway. You want to re-input your PIN, and as you can see, that's all. Why isn't? I thought that this would work. Never mind. As you can see now, if we look at the screen, we have our new PIN, not pattern. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.